This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's far better than ChatGPT, and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone, and welcome back in today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and type into perplexity.ea. So this is the home page, as you can see. So we have here various options, as you can see. So the first thing that we have to do is just click over Try Pro. And we have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited processors, upgraded AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. We have here standard, start for free, no credit card needed, free forever. Continue with free unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity, AI model optimized for speed and quality, and you have create a profile to personalize your answer. So let's come back to the home. You have here various things and the various options, like you have focus, like we have here web search across the internet, writing internet text or chat without searching with the web. Academic, we have search for published academic papers. Video, we have discover and watch videos. We have math here, solve equation and find numerical answers. Then we have social here, search for discussions and opinions. Then here we have also, you can also switch on here. Pro, we have search, our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. And then we have here other options. So let's get started. For example, how you can earn money on Perplexity. So we have here sources. The first thing is sources here. We have also answer here, and then we have here related questions in the same domain. So about the first one, sources here, we have here how you can earn money on Perplexity. Make money with Perplexity AI for beginners at 2024. We have here YouTube. Then we have a look into potential earn money with Perplexity AI chatbot of 12.ea, and you have here how to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. We have YouTube. Then we have 2 ways to make money with Perplexity AI in 2024, and also YouTube. You have here 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity AI. We have AI business plans, and then we have get paid per click with Perplexity AI YouTube. And then you have your introducing the Perplexity publishers problem, Perplexity. Then we have how does Perplexity.ea make money. I can't find anything about it, and we have here Reddit. So you can just search the one you want and you can get your answers. Then we have here answer. There are several ways to earn money using Perplexity AI, leveraging its capabilities for content creation, research, and freelancing opportunities. Here are some of the main strategies. We have the first one, it's freelancing services like script writing for YouTube, content creation, editing, and proofreading. Then we have creating passive income such as online courses, YouTube monetization, and then we have affiliate marketing and click-based earnings such as paid click strategies, and then we have here revenue sharing programs such as Perplexity publishes program. So by leveraging these methods, individuals can effectively monetize their skills and the capabilities of Perplexity AI in various fields such as freelancing, content creation, and education. Also, we have it related, for example, what are the best ways to monetize Perplexity AI as a beginner? How can I use Perplexity AI to create engaging YouTube video? What freelancing opportunities are available with Perplexity AI? How does Perplexity AI compare to ChatGPT for making money? Can I use Perplexity AI to proofread and edit client content? So also we have here videos showing that. You can just click over it, and also images here. So it's free helpful and useful this website or this page. So right now I will show you how you can earn money on Perplexity. So on Perplexity you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services. Draw a well-crafted profile that attracts clients first. So like monetize by monetizing your expertise by providing followable, tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. So I will give you something. So the first website here we have Upwork.com. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice and convert Perplexity and directions into Upwork projects. Then we have the second one, which is LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. So I'll give you the second way, which is so creation and selling educational content. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to reach, offer these resources, draw Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So we have the first website here is udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have the second one, which is Amazon. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise, promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then we have the last step, which is earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps. So create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. We have your App Store. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have your product hand. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools on or apps on product hand, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product and launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adaptation. So this is how to work for Perplexity, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.